I'm in a hurry. Marcus? What are you doing?
Hey, Miranda. Just making a few extra bucks taking fares.
As if.
Where you going?
Going to visit my mother. You followed my lead?
Yep, FBI.
I cannot What was I saying? Oh, I cannot confirm or deny that.
We want to strike back, but I couldn't get all the data. I need to get into their Oakland office.
You're coloring way outside the lines, Marcus.
Yeah, and?
Is that why you showed up as my driver? You think I'm being scoped by the feds, too?
Isn't that why you wouldn't tell us where those photos came from?
I was merely being prudent.
And I'm being prudent by talking to you in person.
So, Marcus, I'd be remiss if I didn't point out that a young man who discovers that the Federal Bureau of Investigation is after him should probably re-examine some of his life choices.
Good advice.
Particularly a young black man.
Guilty.
Good. We gotten that out of the way.
So how did you get those photos of us in the bar?
Let's just say I have a source.
Does your source have anything else I should know?
Word is the feds are going after hackers hard. They're trying to co-opt or blackmail every group they can.
For what?
They want control of all the 0 days, and they don't want competition.
Damn, now the FBI is in on it? Hacking might not be cool anymore.
I'm not joking, Marcus. They're gonna come after DedSec, and they're serious. This for the FBI office. I have a friend that can help. But you'll have to use the Moscow rules.
What's that mean?
It means there's an old-style payphone outside of Dellum's. Pick it up, identify yourself as Fred. Record the signal you get.
Yo, that's fucking dope.
I'm gonna give you a shit rating on the driver app.
It's cool. Jeez, that's weird.
I don't know.
Hey, be careful!
This is Fred.
Welcome, Fred.
totally quadratic.
Fine. Just go up there and try. I've got some jokes, you know, like I'm no Richard Pryor or anything, but I keep telling myself to just go up and try.
Open sesame.
Can you cover for me at the Richards?
Heard you going corporate.
Again?
Gotta get out of those rats.
Get the big bucks.
Go.
Okay, Marcus. They gotta have some data pointing us to their spying post.
Just tell me where to go to get it.
That's the thing, Em. They're clever bastards. Looks like they've separated up all the data. I don't know which server to hack.
Oh, great. So glad you waited until I'm inside to discover this little fact.
Get up to the antenna on the roof and put a transceiver on it. If I can track the data coming in, I can figure out which server is which.
Sure, no problem. Go up on the roof, place a transceiver. Got nothing better to do.
15 FBI headquarters.
Dude, this is gonna take a second.
Don't waste time enjoying the view, buddy.
It's set.
Great. Hold on. I'm tracing the flow now.
I got nothing but time up here on the FBI's roof.
Got it. Okay. I lit it up for you on your map.
or suspects have been reported near your location.
More stuff on us. Incredible, man. Profiles, fingerprints. In high school, Sitara got in trouble for spiking the principal's coffee. Man, there's a ton of stuff coming in. I don't see any hideout location.
Wrench, they're onto me.
Get out, get out!
We don't have the location.
I got a frequency. Go!
911.
As for DedSec member Wrench, surveillance indicates that he is awkward around the opposite sex and uses his mask as a deflecting device. A psych analysis postulates a disrupted childhood along with possible debilitating shyness. Subject copes with this using a mask, which he has programmed to reflect his emotions as a sort of electronic billboard. Within the world in which the subject operates, this solution is considered ingenious.
Look out!
Come on, Jesus.
Going down.
Be on your toes, Marcus. I'm picking up a ton of movement. The FBI will be waiting for you.
Spread out. Start a sweep. Jesus!
Round 4.
Come on, man up!
Spread out.
He won't
Drop
get
your
away.
weapon and show yourself.
Oh, no way. No, God.
Come out with your hands up.
What was that?
Checking the next.
I'm out, but damn it, total fail. I got jack shit.
Au contraire, dude. You got the hideout's frequency. We just gotta triangulate, and we'll find out where it's at.
I get it. The transceiver I left on top of Dellum's is our first point.
Right. I found a couple other antennas to complete the triangle. I'll hit one, you do the other. Marking it on your map now.
Hey, Wrench, I'm about to get the third point here.
Get it done, man.
You get anywhere with that waitress?
Gonna hear her back next Thursday.
Dude.
Yeah, she seems pretty together. Not like...
Hold it right there!
I'm not doing anything.
On the ground, now!
I'm just walking my cat. Ah!
Wrench? Wrench! Shit! Sitara, Wrench went dark. The FBI got him.
I heard that. Jesus.
Give me his last location.
It's no good. They'll take him to the hideout. You've got to finish the triangulation to find out where he is. Hurry.
Come on, I gotta get this. Transceiver placed.
Triangulating now? It's the old 16th Street station.
Let's see what's going on. Hack into their security cams.
Hacking in now.
This like a Roy Orbison thing or something? You see, my dad told me that Roy wore those glasses to get over his incredible stage fright. All right, I'm gonna ask you a question. Answer yes, you walk out of here a free man with the mask.
Who the fuck is Roy Orbison?
Answer no, the mask stays off, you go to jail, and you continue to be whoever it is you don't like looking at in the mirror. Here's the deal. You're a member of DedSec. Fact. You've meddled in federal affairs. Fact. You will be treated as a federal problem. Fact. Now, you see, all these things put together give me a bunch of different options. You're an enemy combatant, which means rendition. Gitmo, if I get cranky. Unless...
Unless what?
Unless you help me get into DedSec. Get me there 0 days. Get me the scoop on the whole gang. You are my way in. God damn it. All right, look. Right now, I am an act of God. Get me something. Point me in the right direction. Names, addresses. Because I swear to God, you want me on your side. You can't just walk...
I told him you were going to be a waste of his time.
You're jeopardizing the investigation. You have no standing here. None.
Go ahead. Call your boss. Call Chief Agent Monroe. Call her now. What the hell is up with Marcus? He's a nice guy. He's misguided, but come on. He can't protect you from what's coming. The the FBI is gonna make an example of him. I mean, that's kind of what they do. It's too bad. But you have a decision. You can decide to be on board the ride or just get run over by it.
You're rendering everything we've got against this guy inadmissible.
Excuse me. Because Agent Fuentes is having a really hard time seeing the long term. You're free to go. Tell your friends about the deal. If they want to be off the FBI's radar, they just gotta come see me. Yes, me! Or else things ain't gonna be pretty. No. See, I think it's time you saw the world through your own eyes, like a big boy, and let the world see you for what you really are.
I'm gonna leave you two lovebirds to jerk each other off.
Escort that man out. Properly.
God damn it, you motherfuckers! I'm coming to get that mask back. Wrench?
I'm here.
I'm getting your mask back.
You saw that?
Nobody does you like that.
No, Marcus, man. You got more important shit to take care of.
Fuck that. I got your back. Those fucking assholes.
They thought we'd go for that?
They don't get us. They don't get us at all. Wrench needs that mask. When one of our team needs something, we get it.
Absolutely.
Then I'm gonna hack their fucking server and get all the files about their little extortion plan. Time to air some dirty FBI laundry. – 16th Street Station. Mass has got to be here somewhere.
No way. Not my job. I'll take.
Dispatch to squad. Be on alert. Possible hostiles near your location.
We need reinforcements. It's Dispatch. 911. Please state the nature of your emergency.
easy on you.
Please state your emergency.
Have you seen what they're doing to 16th Street?
You're under. That's it. Oh, God, my ears! Hey, someone's.
Track advised. We have reports of a violent criminal near your. Someone is nearby. Kill them.
What is your emergency?
Grenade out!
Don't let the suspect escape!
I need cover!
Setting location on a 1033. Advise conditions.
911, please state the nature of your emergency.
Get into cover! Oh my God!
Location sent. Hit a 1013.
911, what's your emergency?
I need help over here! are receiving reports of a tripped alarm at the indicated location.
I got the mask.
Take good care of that thing.
Code 3. Closest units, proceed to alarm location.
911. State your emergency, please.
Sending you their stuff now.
Oh, man. It's not just us. They've got stuff on all the hacker gangs here.
That's their plan. Wrench, stay put. I'm coming to return your stuff. I'm sorry you had to go through that, man.
You know all that shit that Dushin said? I would never turn on you.
He's just trying to tear us apart. I'm not gonna let him do that. Look, he's got the FBI on speed dial and he's gonna come after us hard, so I need all of you. We can't do this without each other.
We won't. Thanks, Marcus.
The FBI has been coercing hackers into providing them with hacking software for their own use. FBI uses this software to bypass the legal system and gain access to your private data with no oversight or warning. The FBI also illegally detained a DedSec member in an attempt to coerce us into working for them as well. To the FBI, we do not live in a police state. You are not the secret police, and the Constitution does not exist at your whim. We've exposed your plot to force hackers to help you. DedSec will continue to watch you for the sake of every free American. DedSec has given you the truth. Do what you will.
I found the phone, but no Horatio in sight.
There's gotta be something.
No clues, but there is a street cam.
Okay, yeah. Hooking into the camera. Let's roll back the time code and see what happened.
There he is.
Who the hell's that guy?
Get out of there, Horatio.
Yeah!
Jesus!
Fight back, man!
I don't believe this.
Jesus, they're fucking kidnapping him!
We gotta figure out who they are.
Josh, get some facial rec going.
Fuck! That one's pretty clear.
Luis Trevino. He's a member of the Tescas gang.
The Tescas? Oh, shit.
We need Trevino's movements.
Got his phone number.
GPS footprint centers on a building nearby.
Putting it on your map.
Imagine that.
Oh, fuck!
Horatio, man, I'm here, man. Hey, call 911, Josh, call 911. Hold on. I'm here, man, I'm here. Help's coming, okay? Hang on, man. He's dead, guys. Sorry, Josh, he's fucking dead.
Oh my god, Marcus, get out of there now!
Fuck! Hey, hold on.
You're smart, right?
Yeah, I'm smart. Not so smart, he didn't get caught. All that shit you seem to know, you're gonna feed to us. I'm not telling you shit. Fuck you. Fuck. Oh, fuck me, boy. No, cuidado. No, pinche puta.
Get out of there, Marcus! You gotta get out!
Not yet. I want to track these assholes down. Any unusual phone activity nearby?
A lot, practically next door.
Stepping on our turf, be cool. Chingada madre, I hate
911, please state the nature of your emergency. Ayuda! Un tirador! Ayuda! Hello? I need you to stay on the line.
Holla at me. I can't get the fuck through here. Oh shit! Fucking maricon hacker! Get more guys! Squad, we have alerts of a hostile in your area.
I want to track these assholes down. Any unusual phone activity nearby?
A lot, practically next door.
Apestan tanto a dinero que se ven símbolos de...
If you see a pinche pendejo, what do you need, man?
¿Un arma?
It's all coming in. Cocaine, gambling, extortion, weed. More cocaine.
Names?
Yeah.
Good. Find out who the ones that grabbed Horatio are.
Maybe the next.
I want the Teskers to know I'm coming for them.
Burn something down, man.
Yeah, I'll burn the pot here. It's right here.
They use an illegal pesticide. At high volume, it's extremely flammable.
I'll just switch the irrigation system to the pesticide.
Then flood the fields with it and light it up.
Suspect or suspects have been reported near your location. Copy that. A patrol car is en route to the suspect.
Let's start the show. All right, that should get their attention.
Get out of there. We're looking through the data to figure out the next target.
I can assure you there's no way the trailer's getting out.
Can you assure me? After what happened with Unity, Syndicate, Osiris?
Our security has never been tighter. If this leaks, you can go ahead and fire me.
Now those fuckers know we're after them. Let's do something that'll really hurt.
We're with you.
They're about to ship out a huge cargo of cocaine. I've marked it on your map.
Destroy the coke, and it'll hit the Tescas hard.
Pop quiz, guys. What does every gaming website love most?
Being considered journalism?
Leaks! They pay through the nose for them, especially if it's a leak from one of the big studios like, oh, I don't know, Ubisoft?
Marcus, don't toy with my fragile heart. What do you got?
Just a lead. New game trailer from UB San Francisco.
I can smell all those followers we'd nab.
Yeah, I'll see if I can fit a Ubisoft heist into my schedule.